Hello all and welcome back for another amazing video, and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us, and I hope you all been doing great. So this is the bed that I'm going to be transforming, and if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in this channel we usually do a lot of transformation, DIYs, makeovers and many more videos, as you will see when you visit our channel. So I'm going to start by cutting these pieces of wood that I'm going to use to raise the headboard for this bed that I'm going to transform today. And I'm also going to cut off these shapes that you see on the screen. This is to level out the top part of the headboard so that I can place the adjustment layer, as you will see later on in the video. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our video, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. And I hope you will enjoy this one. Anyway, for those who don't know me, I'm Kevin. This is Kevin because you don't usually see me on the screen. I just usually show what I'm doing, like here. This frame, I started by using the staple pin. I think you can see the staple pins. And later on, I came back with the nails. I used the nails to firmly attach the adjustment layer. And I'm also going to be using nails to attach this adjustment layer on top of this main headboard. So that is basically how I do. Then after that, I'm going to cover all the frame or the headboard using plywood, and then I'll start designing the headboard, and that is basically the process of doing this DIY. So for this bed, my client wanted it to be tufted, both the headboard and also the lower part, that is this side for the legs, and that is what I'm going to do. And I usually use this drill or this bit to make the holes that I'm going to be using while doing the tufting method. This is because they usually make neat holes or the shapes. That's why I use it. And this is the results, and I'm going to be using this staple. The main work for this staple in this process is that, this is the needle that I'm going to be using. So the main reason I usually use a staple, it's because these buttons, as you can see on the screen, they have strings. So when I pass the strings through these holes using the nail that you have seen, I'm going to staple the strings at the back of the headboard. I'm going to staple them down, that is attaching them to the main frame using the staple gun. So that is the process, and that is the fabric that I'm going to be using. And this is I think this is the mini reveal, or this is the process, or this is the progress. After I'm done doing all the process, this is the final reveal. Make sure to like this video. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this DIY, this transformation video. Tell me what you think about it, or you can also rate it. Tell me how I did it. If you like it, make sure to like it. If you have something to tell me in the comment section, make sure to comment. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for the continued support.